Don't be like me, kids. Be better than me. Hello friends, it's Marcy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are packing. I never actually made an announcement on this, but Osmond and I are going to Florida for a week and we're gonna go to Disney again because that's what we do, and we're gonna see Jaime and Sebastian, which are friends that we hung out with during our last Florida trip, which the vlogs will be linked down below. What makes this trip a smidge different is that this past week Jaime and Sebastian actually came to New York. They spent a week with us here and then they're going home today, and then in 2 days we fly to Florida to spend a week with them down there. How are we all not sick of each other yet? I don't know, but I guess that's friendship. I didn't really vlog while Jaime was here because I was just trying to enjoy the time I had with them in New York and showing them everything, but they did vlog, so I will have their YouTube channel linked down below. I don't know when those vlogs are going to go up because a lot of crazy life things happening in both our lives right now. Okay, that was a long intro, but today is Saturday and we fly out on Monday and I work all day on Sunday, and I don't know what I'm wearing. I haven't really made any type of plans besides getting to Florida and staying at our resort. So I don't know what days we're gonna do what parks, if we're gonna have any dining reservations, if we're gonna explore the Orlando area. No clue, we're winging it here. But my main thing is outfits. I really need to come up with some outfits. I'm just staring at my clothing rack right now, trying to see if inspiration comes to me. It is currently almost 1 p.m. Osmond is actually getting a haircut as we speak, and I will be getting my haircut. Yes, she's getting the chop later tonight. My appointment is at 5:30, so I have to get my hair cut. I have to plan my outfits. I should actually start packing already today. I am starting this lovely, wonderful vlog. I basically leave tomorrow in a way because I work all day tomorrow. I'm gonna come home and go to sleep, and then we're off to the airport. So everything needs to get done today. I haven't shared it on here, but I did hang some of my ears on my wall over here by my window next to my very messy bed, and these are a lot of new ears. So my mom got me these that are basically me and a pair of Mickey ears, mini ears, whatever, and then I got these two from eBay. I know for sure I'm going to take these three, and I have another pair that I just got that I'm going to take. The progress so far, I'm watching random pack with me for the parks videos for inspiration, and I have some more ears kind of spread out all over my bed in a mess form to figure out what I'm going to take. And then I have my large stoney clover pouches. I have headbands in here, but I think I'm gonna put my ears in here because these large pouches, I have this plain pink one too, can fit up to 6-7 pairs of ears. I had all of these ears, so this is 4, 5, 6 pairs of ears. All of these were in this pouch before, and I just took them out because I'm trying to see if there were any in there that I wanted to take. It's difficult because I still don't know what I'm going to wear. It's much later in the night and I got a haircut. I think it looks so good. My hair was so long and so thick and it was just too much, especially in the summer heat, and we're going to Florida in July. I've never been to Florida in the summer, so I wanted something new and it's just healthy and I love it. And other good news from the very messy bed that you can see in the background, I have figured out a majority of my outfits. We are there for a whole week. We're going to the parks 3 to 4 to 5 times out of the week, so I need outfits for pretty much every day. I know we get there on Monday and we're not going to the parks, but we are going to the movies. We're gonna go see Black Widow, so I've just been trying to find outfits that I'm gonna be comfortable in, that I can use all of the ears that I showed you guys that I want to pack and take with me, and then trying to figure out what bags and accessories I want to use with those outfits to see how much I have to pack. So my bed is chaos right now, but I thought I would just come on here and update you guys. Here's a very messy sneak peek of what I have going on. These are some of the outfits that I'm taking. Oh my god, is this black and classic mini ears? Yup. I actually got these at Burlington because I don't know if you guys have heard, but apparently Burlington is like carrying park items for the low. I got these literally for $5, and I actually own quite a lot of ears, but I've never owned the classic red minis. Tell me you are a pastel hoe without telling me you're a pastel hoe. Now that my outfits are pretty much done, I think it's safe to say that I should probably start packing. So I decided that I'm gonna put all of my ears in this stony clover pouch that I customized, and we're going for a week, and I'm taking 6 pairs of ears. Will I buy more? Possibly. Gotta make all 6 of these fit in here, and it's possible. Usually when I pack them in these, I lay them sideways like this. They can fit standing up, it's just the bow is gonna get a little squished, and I don't want to do that. So a lot of these I have not worn yet, like these, because I just got them off of eBay. These Bobble Bar ones I got off of Shop Disney. Literally the tag is still on them. These I bought at my store, which is a miracle because I heard these sold out so quick in the parks, like when they first came out, and my job had them, so I was able to snatch them up. That is all 6 pairs. I can maybe honestly fit like 2 or 3 more in here, and I have space on the side here, like right here, since I laid them sideways, and I will probably put my magic bands. My ears are packed, and now my wall is naked. Sorry if you hear humming in the background. The air conditioning is on because it's 11 o'clock at night and it's literally like 90 degrees out. I'm doing what I can to survive. The Ariel suitcase is going to be my carry-on, and I can take a carry-on and a personal item. So I'm debating if I want to take this Stony Clover backpack or this Stony Clover Love Shack fancy duffel bag. This duffel bag is huge, so I don't know if I want to take it because I'm taking that much stuff since we're checking for luggage as well. So it might be this backpack, but I don't know. Y'all, I just realized I also have to figure out what straw toppers and koozies I'm taking because, you know, I'm extra and obnoxious, and I have a lot. Like I have this whole Stony Clover pouch filled to the brim with koozies from a bunch of different small shops, and then, did you guess it? A Stony Clover pouch filled with draw charms, and I need to pick because I can't take them all. In basically like almost 24 hours, I will be on my way, and I still have to figure everything out. I've got all the jewelry that I'm going to be taking pretty much picked out already. I'm taking this Loungefly bag, this Stony Clover pouch to put probably just my everyday makeup, but we'll see. This Stony Clover bag, I already have my laptop and a laptop charger. This camera and the tripod will go in here, and then in here I just have like important park paperwork that I need, and then this Loungefly, and I have to put like my socks and undies and stuff like that in here, and then put this in the suitcase. I am taking my Daisy Nuimo, and I did the little scrunchy skirt hack that everyone's been doing, and I think she looks so cute, and she's got her little backpack on because she's going to the parks. And then this Stony Clover pouch, which I'm starting to put like perfume I'm taking, my lotion, some of my skincare, and most of my makeup. Trying to pick out my makeup now, and I am packing 3 blushes and 1 highlighter. I have been super obsessed with blush lately. Every blush that I am packing is 1 ColourPop to a collab ColourPop, and 3 all have shimmer glitters in them, so I'm gonna be very sparkly. But I feel like Disney World is the perfect place to be extremely pink and extremely sparkly. But then again, I'm kind of always those things too. Into the Stony Clover pouch they go. Okay friends, so I am pretty much all packed. It is almost 1 a.m. and we have to leave for the airport at 8, so we can get there around like 8:30, 9 o'clock because our flight takes off at 10. I will check in with you guys tomorrow and give you just an overview of everything that I packed, but it will be from our room at our resort. Greetings from the Little Mermaid room at the Art of Animation Resort in Disney World. Yes, we are here. I thought I would show you guys and kind of finish up this vlog. We've been here for like 3 days now. Better late than never. I actually just took out all of the stuff that we packed and I neatly placed it within the room. So I thought I'd show you guys pretty much the overview of everything that we packed together. You guys already saw that I took my Animator Little Mermaid carry-on suitcase. I still have all of my clothes in here, like I wore this already, and in here I have a few more outfits that I am planning to wear, but this I packed up all of my clothes, and then I had my camera bag, my Stoney Clover pouch that has my cup koozies and straw toppers. We packed these little cups that we bought at like Dollar Tree. Also brought my Hello Kitty Cafe Truck water bottle because y'all, it is hot. Then I have my Stoney Clover pouches here, and these were all of the ears that fit into this one pouch. This pink pouch just carried all of our toiletries and makeup and stuff, which I will show you by the sink was quite a lot. Little spoiler, I bought these on this trip. This other Stoney Clover pouch, which carried all of these makeup products here. This little Twin Stars pouch that carried my jewelry. It still has my jewelry in it, and this is what I'm going to wear today. This Stoney Clover pouch has just lip products in it, and that pink, I'm in my pajamas, could you tell? That pink Stoney Clover pouch literally carried this, all three of these, this toothpaste, this, all of this, and all of this. And there was still space. Then over here I have my Loungefly bags. Inside one of them I just have more feminine products in case, and this one carried like my socks and undies and all of that, so that one's empty now. That is the end of this video. I'm going to let you guys go. Be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. They'll be linked just down below. And of course, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you real soon. Bye.